Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to check your Lloyds Bank statement in 2025. With all the advancements in banking tech, it's quicker and more secure than ever. Whether you're a busy professional or just starting out with online banking, this step-by-step guide will get you up to speed in no time. First things first, make sure you have the latest Lloyds Bank app installed on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't already, head to your app store and download it for free. Once that's done, open the app and log in using your secure credentials. Remember, in 2025, Lloyds has ramped up security with features like biometric login, think fingerprint or facial recognition, to keep your info safe. Now, once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. Look for the Accounts or Statements tab, usually at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that, and you'll see a list of your accounts. Select the one you want to check, and voila, your statements will pop up. You can choose to view the most recent statement or go back to previous months. Pro tip: use the search function if you need a specific date range. It's a game changer for tracking expenses. If you prefer checking on a computer, just visit the Lloyds Bank website at lloydsbank.com. Log in there the same way, and navigate to the Statements and Documents section. From here, you can download PDFs, print them out, or even analyze your spending with the new AI-powered Insights feature that's rolled out in 2025. This tool highlights trends, like where your money's going each month, which is incredibly helpful for budgeting. One more thing. Always double-check for any unusual transactions and report them immediately through the app's secure chat. It's all about staying on top of your finances and avoiding surprises. There you have it. Checking your Lloyds Bank statement is straightforward and empowers you to manage your money like a pro. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that bell icon. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay savvy.